Welcome to Section 2 of our Email Marketing 2.0 video training, Setting Things Up. In this section, we'll talk about the 5 cornerstones of a successful e-marketing campaign, setting things up before creating your first email marketing campaign. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. The 5 cornerstones of a successful e-marketing campaign. Achieving a successful e-marketing campaign is something that takes effort, time, and commitment. Today, I'll show you 5 aspects that you should focus on so you can obtain success. 1. Researching a hot online topic. To have a successful e-marketing campaign, it takes thoughtful planning and a good strategy. If it's done right, there's no doubt that new leads will be generated and loyal customers obtained. Keep in mind that success is produced by both, having good content and having it in the right amount. Make a list of some of your specific goals so you can recognize the best ROI producing topics. To obtain the best content, start with this question: what issue can my content help solve? After several ideas come to your mind, reduce the number to 5, then to 2, and then to 1. Now, having selected the correct topic, it's time to present it in the most suitable way. Creating an attractive lead magnet. When there's an exchange being made by you and the person who provides you their email address, you should give something back for free. That is a lead magnet. The majority of lead magnets are digital stuff, so you don't have to pay for them. These materials can be digital files like videos, MP3 audio files, or PDFs, which can be created by you at no cost. Some examples of lead magnets are coupons, cheat sheet, webinar, case studies, e-quizzes, ebook, consultation. What should a good lead magnet look like? It should provide value to the recipient for free. As you create your own lead magnets, keep the following in mind. Easily consumed. The object is that the recipient will use it. It's something relevant to your audience. It should be a problem solver. It's as useful or important as the service you're offering, and it can be used in the right way. Set up a high-converting squeeze page. You need to set up a high-converting squeeze page, so let me share 3 specific steps that you can follow. A. Select your social squeeze page's topic. This certainly is the most important step. This topic can't simply be the traditional sign up and get a free coupon. Instead, you must opt for a topic that is of interest to your audience. It is a nice idea to pick a topic that proves to be hard to find good, reliable information. For example, if your audience is a composite of bloggers, entrepreneurs, and people in related fields, you need to come up with good, suitable content for this particular group of people. B. Build your social squeeze page. Include these features on your site: a clear statement of what people will get from your site, a straightforward call to action, a luring video, no longer than 10 minutes. Below the video, make sure to add opt-in boxes and social sharing buttons. C. Promote your social squeeze page. Let's say that you have selected a fine video, and it can and will generate good traffic, but only if it's well promoted. When it comes to promoting, the rule is the more the better. Set up a persuasive autoresponder series. Setting email autoresponders will help you save a lot of time and energy. It will be helpful only if you write messages intended to convert your readers. Here's how to create an autoresponder series that generates sales. The first step is to plan your series. Establish a plan for your autoresponder series. You should have an email autoresponder series that helps you accomplish tasks like generating sales and building trust. You can have various email marketing objectives based on your company's needs. So let me share some ideas that you can use to increase conversions with your email autoresponder series. Offer free mini courses. Make sales on autopilot using emails. Let new subscribers know about your content. Then write your emails. And lastly, set it and forget it. Send the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. Something worth saying is that no one will ever convince anyone to opt in to anything unless they are enticed. Be sure that your offer matches the medium. Making sure that your offer matches the medium means that if you're asking for someone's email address, it's because it's required for delivering what you're offering. For example, if you want to show them a video or download a PDF file, it's not required to have an email address, unless you're offering an email course that includes PDF files or video. Reduce form fields. There's only one thing needed to send your prospect anything by email, and that is their email address. Anything beyond that is completely unnecessary and should be left out of the equation.